The blood type diet chart. Before we start with this video, you should know that these food groups are divided into 3 different categories. 1. Highly beneficial foods, food that acts like medicine. 2. Foods that are allowed, food that are no harm to the blood type. 3. Foods that are not allowed, food that acts like a poison. Coconut oil. This super healthy ingredient can provide many health benefits to your immune system and digestive system. You should also know that coconut oil is a heat-stable fat, which means that it tolerates high temperature cooking well and does not become oxidized and damaged like most vegetable oils. It's loaded with medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, which is very easy to digest and your liver uses it easily for energy. The good fats in coconut oil have antimicrobial properties, and help to promote a healthy balance of good microbes in your digestive tract. It is also very satiating, which means that you should add this ingredient to your healthy diet to reduce sugar and carbohydrate cravings and lose weight much faster. Avocados. Avocados contain high amounts of healthy fats, and in this case the fats are primarily monounsaturated. These fats won't raise the inflammation in the human body like some omega-6 rich polyunsaturated fats can. Avocados are loaded with other healthy nutrients, and they can provide many health benefits such as cleanse your arteries and help maintain healthy blood pressure. Just add some avocado in your salad for lunch can help you feel full for longer, therefore not feel the need to snack on candy in the afternoons. Fish oil. Have you noticed that some of the best anti-inflammatory foods contain high amounts of fat? And most natural fats are highly anti-inflammatory, which means that processed vegetables oils high in omega-6 fats are usually pro-inflammatory. Oily fish is high in omega-3 fats, which promote the production of pain-relieving prostaglandins, a type of hormone in the body. Well, this means that fish oil can help you to treat and relieve painful conditions such as arthritis, menstrual cramps, and fibromyalgia. So when you reduce the inflammation in your artery walls, fish oil can help to reduce atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, and blood clots. You should also know that fish oil is a good source of the mineral selenium. Selenium is excellent for individuals with autoimmune disease because it can help reduce the production of autoantibodies. Selenium is also necessary for glutathione production, and glutathione is the body's own powerful antioxidant. The other benefit of selenium is it helps your body overcome viral infections. Chronic low-grade viral infections are a common cause of ongoing fatigue and elevated inflammation. Fish that contain high amounts of omega-3 fats and selenium are wild salmon, trout, mackerel, herrings, sardines, mullet, and anchovies. If you do not consume these fish species regularly, you may wish to consider taking a fish oil supplement and a selenium supplement. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the healthiest and most powerful spices in the world. It has bright yellow color, and it has a very mild flavor and is responsible for the bright yellow tint of curry powder. You can find Ngai fresh turmeric powder in all supermarkets and health store. You can add this powerful spice to curry stews or even vegetable juices. The active and most powerful compound in turmeric is called curcumin. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and it works as a natural pain reliever. Curcumin also has benefits to the digestive system and can help relieve bloating and indigestion. Dark chocolate. Chocolate is good for you, but just dark chocolate. You should always buy good quality dark chocolate, and by good quality we actually mean 85% cocoa content or higher. Other good thing about dark chocolate is that it's usually free of dairy products, and some brands are even free of soy lecithin, which is best avoided because it may be genetically modified. Dark chocolates which have a very high cocoa content, usually contain small amounts of sugar. The intense flavor in this type of chocolate usually prevents most people from overindulging. It's just so rich that you can't possibly consume too much. The antioxidant polyphenols in chocolate help to neutralize free radicals in your body and can actually help to boost levels of healthy HDL cholesterol in your body. Most people with syndrome X, or insulin resistance, have abnormally low levels of beneficial cholesterol in their blood, and too much of the wrong type of cholesterol, which can cause arterial plagues. As you can see, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring and bad for your taste. There are many delicious foods and meals to reduce inflammation in your body and lose weight much faster. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this article with your friends and family. Thank you.